Hello, maurieo! AUTOCAD Basic 4.1 Object Snaps. Hello, welcome. Well, in this video we're going to explore the use of object snaps so that we can very accurately start lines and objects and things at very particular points. So it's really handy and something that you need to know and use quite often. So let's get on with the job. So here we are over on the big screen, and we're going to open the file called fenceam.drawing. So let's go to that. Here it is, fenceam.drawing, and yeah, well, let's open that one and see what we get. So this is what we've got here. Now open there. Now in the status bar, the object snaps. So here's the object snaps here, and set the object snaps mode to endpoint, midpoint, center, and extension. Yes, and toggle. So we don't want intersection or node, so we've just got it set to those four. That's been there, so there, and let's make sure that it's toggled on. The object snap there, if we just look at the tooltip, F3 can toggle it on and off. So if we just push the F3, that turns it on and off, and you can see it toggling on and off there as I push the F3. So that's that. Then start the line command and draw a fence from one corner of the house through with each of the fence posts, the small circles provided in the drawing, to the other corner of the house as shown. Alright, so yes, so we're going to start a line command. So there, we will start there. I could have done L for line, and yes, it's a matter of just making sure that you get to the center. That's the correct snap. It's very easily sometimes to get the wrong snap, and that can cause so let's just undo. So U is undo, which I'm using in the line command there because it still keeps it continuous, like so. But I don't think we need to know that there. Yeah, so if we just keep things there and there, and then back to the corner of the house, all well and good. Now that's the fence there. So that's all done. So in the status bar, and select intersection. So we want to use the intersection one now, so we'll toggle that on. Okay, and in the status bar, toggle on the toggle on polar tracking. Okay, which I've already got that on. This one here, is it polar tracking? Yes, that's it there. It's already on. F10 toggles that on and off. Okay, so we've got the polar tracking on. If required, start the line command again and draw line 1. So that's in here. So I just go L for line. That's how I start the line command, and that would be from the midpoint there, and it's coming all the way along here, and it's just now how are they wanting us to do this? Polar tracking, draw line 1 from the midpoint on the right side of the house to the point where it intersects the left side, is shown in 4.6. So that's the intersection. So there's the intersection there. So that's coming up. That's the intersection there. Okay, Now draw the line 2. So I'm just going to go escape there, and that gets me back. Okay. Draw line 2 from the midpoint to the front line 2 from the draw line 2 from the midpoint of the front wing of the house. So alpha line, and that comes in here. There, that's the midpoint, and that's the intersection. Oh, there like that. And we escape there like that. And then draw line 3 to the intersection. Oh yes, I see. Alpha line, and that goes there like that and goes through. Oh, well, that's an end point there. I think that would do. I think that's what they mean. Okay, line 3. Draw line 3 from the top right corner of the wing to the intersection of the two ridge lines, which is there. I think it's actually an end point because we've got line 2 coming up from there. Now, for line 4, after starting the line command, hover the curve over the bottom left corner of the house. Okay, so we go line, and then we're going to hover over the bottom left. Okay, and then pull it up without selecting the point. Yeah, and pull it up with the extension object snap is displayed. Okay, the extension is displayed indicating that it is enabled. Type in a distance of 2500. Yeah, and the line starts at this point, end it at the intersection of the two ridge lines. Okay, all right. Let's just check that distance there, 2500. Yes, I see where the 2500 came from. So I've just checked on that line there, and it's 2500 length. So, yeah, okay. And save and close the drawing. So, yeah, all very well and good there. So, save as. And the drawing, of course, was... now, what's it? The drawing called? Draw the fence am.drawing. Yes, it was. And we'll save that. Yes, we do want to replace it. I'm picking. And then we're going to close it like so. So we're back to our main drawing. So there we go. There's another little exercise on object snaps, practice exercise there, complete. Practice exercise 4. All right, and so we move on to the next one. Cheers, see you.